Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start at a Ripper Dock or Vehicle Mod terminal. Go there now. Once at the location, open the interaction menu and select the vehicle customization option to access paint jobs. Make sure you own the car or have permission, otherwise the option won't appear. If using a mod or garage, confirm the mod's install and permissions first, because the game reads ownership and DLC content at this step. Now select your vehicle to see available paint presets and custom slots. Once you see paint options, pick a base preset to speed things up, then refine primary and secondary layers for contrast. Use color sliders to dial hue, saturation, and brightness. Patterns and decals are independent layers, so stack them thoughtfully. Make sure to preview with a 360-degree rotation and different lighting to catch reflections or mismatched trims. If you change a body kit later, remember to recheck the paint. Some finishes don't resize or align automatically with new. When ready, apply the paint and confirm the transaction or save into a custom slot so you can restore it quickly. After applying, exit the menu, re-enter the world and spawn or drive the vehicle to ensure the paint persisted across sessions. If the paint doesn't save or textures flicker, make sure to reload your game session or clear temporary files. Then reapply using a different custom slot or swap the body kit briefly to force a refresh. This usually resolves most visual bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.